Hi, my name is Tran, and welcome to my Curated Cutting class. So here's a little background about myself. I was born in Vietnam. My family escaped the Vietnam War as refugees. We were on the boat for almost 2 weeks before we made it to the US. We finally arrived in Austin, Texas, where a church sponsored us. 7 years later, we moved to Southern California. I've always had the passion for the arts. Making things from scratch like pattern making eventually led me to the hair industry. I am a hairstylist and educator based in Los Angeles, California. I'm also the Global Creative Director for Melbourne. Aside from working behind a chair, I also travel the world hosting different events and training stylists. I also have the opportunity to work on different projects that explore new ideas in aesthetics and the way we understand art and beauty. These productions push my creative limits with new insights that allows me to support the hair and beauty industry. Having worked with so many professional hairstylists in my curating cutting classes, I was excited to find a way to streamline the cutting process. This led me to create the modular system I use today. It breaks down a cut from start to finish into individual segments that is more intuitive. This intuitive step-by-step process allows you to recreate the lived-in haircuts that is yet chic and effortless. To me, lived-in hair is something that you can wear it wet, you can wear it dry, you can wear it style, or you can just let it air dry. So it's something that basically customizing to your hair texture and your lifestyle. I like to teach because I like to see my students elevating their own craft and perfecting their own skills.